Hello students. As you know, we were talking about the pronouns. So we have learned two kind of pronouns, personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now is the time of the third. Third is the demonstrative pronouns. What are the demonstrative pronouns? They are used to point out the nouns. For example, this is a book, these are books. That is a plant, those are plants. So I'll make you explain what are the demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns used to point out or show the object to which they refer. Point out to or show the object to which they refer. It means book is an object. Okay, book is an object, and this word is point out to show the book. Understood? Like this plant is an object. So in this sentence, that word shows about the plant. That is a plant. Okay, this is a book, that is a plant. So it means demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the nouns. Understood? And we use these and these. We use this and these for people or things they are near to us. Understood? These and these for use for people or things they are near to us. And we will use that or those. When we will use that or those we will use for people or things they are further away from us. Understood? Yes, demonstrative pronouns are used like demonstrative adjective also. We will learn in the next exercise. Here is the exercise. Yes, at the page number 24. Yes, students. Exercise number 4. Change the following sentences using mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers without changing the original meanings. Yes, I'll make you explain. This is my book. This is my book. It is a demonstrative pronouns. I have written here. It is a demonstrative pronoun because you know about the pronoun. Pronoun is used in the place of a noun. It means where is the pronoun, we will not use the noun, and where is the noun, we will not use the pronouns. Okay. So this is my book. This is the demonstrative pronouns. Understood? And book is the noun. But in this exercise we have to change into mine, yours, ours, theirs. It means we have to change into demonstrative adjective. And you know about the adjective. Adjective is used with the nouns. So how we will use? Yes, this is my book. Understood? So this is the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, same here we will write. And book is the object, and we will put the book near the demonstrative pronouns. And is same my. What are the possessive case of my? Possessive case of my is called the mine. So what will be our sentence? This is my book. This book is mine. I'll explain you. Like my, our, her, his, your are called the independent pronouns. What are the independent pronouns? In independent pronouns are used with the nouns. Okay, but mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers, like that, they are called the dependent pronouns. Dependent pronouns we will not use. We will not write the noun after this. So that is our car. Like same, that we will put that. Car is or ours. After that, in the ending of this sentence we will use ours. That is our car. That car is ours. Understood? That is her decision. That decision is hers. This is his flat. He must pay the house tax. This flat is his. Understood? He must pay the house tax. It will be same. This is your share. It means this share is yours. You can keep it. Okay, students. So today we have learnt about the demonstrative pronoun. Tomorrow I will make you understand about the relative pronouns. Okay. Until there, keep learning.